Hello, welcome, come on in. I'm Mr. Stoller, the machining instructor here at the Career Center. Welcome to the lab. If you've never been in here, we'll give you some footage to look at, some things to see. Looking forward to getting to know you in the fall. Behind me is the lathes. We have a lot of late model machines here for you to do your projects on. Projects that we complete here in the lab are a predetermined set of projects that take you from very basic skills to some more complex work, projects that you get to keep and take home following the grade. You do get a grade for your lab projects. But we take you through those set of projects that build those skills. And then the senior year, there's a little bit more freedom in the projects that you take on. There's still approved projects under the guidance of the instructor and the assistant. But we do CNC work the senior year and a variety of lab projects and skills. We take field trips. Hopefully, if the restrictions open up, we can take some field trips, have some speakers come in, and really looking forward to a great year. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, mstoller@wcscc.org, and looking forward to seeing you in the fall.